grow sprouts at home. First, you soak the seed. Soaking the seed allows them to release their unhealthy enzyme inhibitors that make it difficult for our body to digest. How long you soak each seed depends on its size. The bigger the seed, the longer you soak it. And once you soak them, you should rinse them at least twice a day, in the morning and in the evening. In a few days, they will begin to grow, and soon you'll have broccoli, radish, and alfalfa sprouts, lentil, mung bean, and clover sprouts. The list goes on. Not only do you get a huge variety, but sprouting yields up to 24 times its original seed volume, so you get to eat more at the same price. Add sprouts to every meal and they'll enhance its nutrition dramatically.